budget mokalo ne unge pesa na 200 and something million.
Okay.
This kata mna masani ni jine uket mna 286 because itemo ket pesa all over, but anyway ingeyo ni pesa mamedo ni in fact na medo 1.1 billion 830.
Okay.
Okay, pesa mamayo ngato ma pesa mana maoni ngubeni di
turua
kwani.
Okay.
Now mbita sindo kiabuya uket total koro 428 million amana Homa Bay agolu moko tati kogore 401 million koguta Nyabera nitie yomoro ma run from Suba North to Suba South is 200 million. Luanda Kanyakiamu yomaringe Kamreri mana Suba North 200 million. Then there is one Tonga Kisaku Osiri 200 million. Then Marindi Magena Nyakapala Wamedo nikicholedi niki 300 million moningo beni chakego wacha kwa medo 192 million.
Okay.
Then but oningo beda awarded aparo this week.
Okay.
Then Kalamindi Osani Nyakanyakwiri ma connect Homa Bay Migori and 213 million.
Okay.
And then one Gotkujowi Osogo 30, that is in Dewa 200 million. Then we have Adiedo Nambakarabuka Adiedo 238 million. And then we have Rangwe Ndiru Road.
Mama koringia ni keji kala dalawa.
Yeah. Oh, mane mukatuda no. I didn't know. And then and about 8 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
Mano is what Lilian Gogo said.
Okay.
That's 100 million.
100 million.
And then one Adiedo Pala.
Okay.
Is another 200 million. Then it you more man oka capture because your roads no sekete.
Okay.
This you ma Kenya the young.
Okay.
So that gives you 2.2 billion 274.
Okay.
Then Kisumu, let me just go through Kisumu. One Hololela Road, Omenda pesa 200 million. One Mamboleo Junction Kisumu, Miwani Chemeli